Have you ever wondered about the underlying fabric of reality beyond what our eyes perceive and our hands touch? There exists a dynamic force that interweaves every element of the universe. This force, this essence, is energy. It is the fundamental building block of all that exists, connecting the seen and the unseen in a cosmic dance that transcends time and space. As we explore the interconnected nature of the universe, we delve into the profound concept that everything is energy, and the implications of understanding this truth extend far beyond the boundaries of our conventional perceptions. Delving deeper into the intersection of science and ancient wisdom, it becomes apparent that the concept of everything being energy is not merely a philosophical abstraction, but a profound realization rooted in the fundamental nature of our universe. The intricate dance of subatomic particles, as revealed by quantum physics, sheds light on the dynamic and interconnected nature of the building blocks of reality. The microscopic realm, once hidden from the naked eye, has become a frontier of exploration, challenging our preconceived notions about the nature of existence. Quantum particles existing in states of probability exemplify the inherent uncertainty that underlies the fabric of the cosmos. It's a ballet of possibilities where the act of observation becomes a transformative force, collapsing the wave function and determining the outcome. This quantum dance extends beyond the confines of the laboratory and touches upon the broader tapestry of our lives. The ancient wisdom that everything is energy finds resonance in the understanding that our thoughts, emotions, and intentions are not isolated phenomena but integral aspects of this universal energy flow. In a sense, we are participants in the cosmic dance, influencing and being influenced by the unseen forces that govern the universe. In the realm of quantum physics, the observer effect is like a ripple in a pond, a gentle touch that transforms the undetermined into the determined. Picture a tiny particle, so small that it defies the limitations of our everyday senses, before someone takes a peek. It's like a fuzzy cloud of possibility, like a mysterious mist that can't decide where it wants to settle. But as soon as an observer comes into the picture, armed with their consciousness, something extraordinary happens. The particle, once a wavering smudge of uncertainty, suddenly snaps into focus. It chooses a specific location, a definite path. It's as if the act of looking at it coerces the particle into making up its mind. This isn't some sort of cosmic magic trick. It's a fundamental aspect of the quantum world. Imagine a cat in a box, and you don't know if it's alive or dead until you open the box and take a look. Before you lift the lid, the cat exists in a kind of limbo, where it's both alive and dead simultaneously. It's only when you observe it that the cat decides its fate. Now, apply this to the tiniest building blocks of the universe: electrons, quarks, and photons. They too exist in a dance of possibilities until someone pays attention. It's not just about seeing them with your eyes. It's about any form of interaction. Even if you shine a light on them, they feel your presence, and that changes everything. This phenomenon challenges our common sense understanding of reality. We're used to thinking that the world exists independently of us, that things are the way they are whether we look at them or not. But in the quantum realm, observation is not a passive act. It's not just about watching. It's about participating in the very fabric of existence. On a macroscopic scale, the gravitational forces that govern celestial bodies remind us that energy is not confined to the microscopic realm. It shapes the fabric of the cosmos, weaving together planets, stars, and galaxies in an intricate dance of attraction and repulsion. Our universe is a vast, interconnected web of energy, where every phenomenon is linked to another, creating a continuum that defies isolation. Yet, the interconnectedness of all things extends beyond the boundaries of scientific scrutiny. It permeates the spiritual realms, where ancient traditions and modern philosophies converge on the understanding that a universal energy connects all life. Whether described as chi, prana, or the force, This life force is the essence that animates existence, flowing through every living being and connecting us to the cosmos. In the realm of human thought, similar interconnectedness can be found in the philosophical ideas that have shaped our understanding of the world. One such influential figure is the German philosopher Immanuel Kant, whose ideas have had a profound impact on the way we perceive reality. Immanuel Kant, born in 1724 in Königsberg, Prussia, dedicated his life to exploring the nature of human knowledge and understanding. His philosophical insights centered around the concept that our minds play an active role in shaping our experience of the world. According to Kant, our perceptions are not passive reflections of an objective reality but are, in fact, influenced by the inherent structures of our minds. Imagine a pair of tinted glasses that you wear all the time. These glasses, according to Kant, represent the mental filters through which we interpret the world. He argued that our minds organize and categorize sensory information, creating a framework through which we make sense of our experiences. In other words, our understanding of reality is not a direct reflection of the external world but is mediated by the structures of our own consciousness. Kant introduced the idea of synthetic a priori knowledge, suggesting that certain truths about the world are known to us independently of experience and yet are not purely analytical or self-evident. Take the concept of cause and effect, for example. According to Kant, we instinctively understand that every event has a cause, but this understanding is not derived from specific experiences. Instead, it is a fundamental aspect of how our minds organize information. The philosopher used a metaphorical approach to explain his ideas, likening the mind to a craftsman shaping raw materials into meaningful objects. In this analogy, the raw materials are the sensations we receive from the external world, and the craftsman is our mind, actively organizing and structuring these sensations to create a coherent understanding. Kant's philosophy, often referred to as transcendental idealism, challenged previous assumptions about the nature of reality and knowledge. He argued that our understanding is not a passive reflection of an external reality but an active construction shaped by the inherent structures of our minds. In recognizing that everything is energy, we open ourselves to a profound shift in perspective. It invites us to view the world not as a collection of disparate entities but as a symphony of vibrating energies. This shift in perception is not merely an intellectual exercise. It is a transformative journey that holds the key to unlocking the latent magic within our lives. In South America, there exists a rich tapestry of beliefs that harmonize with this understanding of the interconnectedness of energy. One such belief, deeply rooted in the culture of the Andean people, is the concept of Pachamama. Pachamama is often referred to as the Earth Mother, a benevolent and nurturing force that embodies the energy of the land. According to this belief, Pachamama is not just the ground beneath our feet. She is a living, breathing entity that sustains all life. The rivers, mountains, and forests are considered parts of her vast and interconnected body. The Andean people express their gratitude to Pachamama through rituals and ceremonies, acknowledging the reciprocal relationship between humans and the earth. The idea is simple yet profound. By treating the earth with respect and gratitude, we invite positive energy into our lives. This belief encourages a mindful and harmonious coexistence with nature, recognizing that our actions have a ripple effect on the energetic web that connects all living things. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, another South American belief takes root: the reverence for the spirits of the jungle. Indigenous tribes in the Amazon basin believe that every tree, plant, and animal possesses a spirit or energy. The jungle is not merely a collection of flora and fauna but a vibrant community of beings, each contributing to the energetic dance of life. This belief goes hand in hand with the understanding that everything is energy. The rainforest is seen as a pulsating force of life, where the energies of the myriad species interweave to create a harmonious balance. When a tree is felled or a plant is uprooted, It is believed that the energetic equilibrium is disrupted, affecting not only the physical environment but also the spiritual harmony of the jungle. Imagine for a moment that your thoughts, emotions, and intentions are not mere byproducts of a biochemical dance in your brain but potent frequencies that interact with the energetic matrix of the universe. The concept of learning to vibrate correctly is rooted in the understanding that our energetic output influences the reality we experience. It is an invitation to become conscious creators, shaping our destinies through the vibrational resonance we emit. This idea is not confined to esoteric teachings. It finds resonance in the growing field of energy medicine and the exploration of consciousness. The ancient practices of yoga and meditation, for example, offer a roadmap to attuning our vibrations by aligning breath, movement, and intention. These practices guide us toward a harmonious resonance with the universal energy, mastering not only physical well-being but also a heightened sense of awareness. In recent years, scientific research has increasingly delved into the benefits of ancient practices like yoga and meditation, shedding light on their positive impact on both physical and mental well-being. One notable study conducted by the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, in collaboration with several universities, explored the effects of mindfulness meditation on stress reduction. The study involved participants with varying levels of stress who were introduced to a structured mindfulness meditation program over the course of 8 weeks. Participants practiced simple mindfulness techniques, such as focused breathing and body awareness. The findings were compelling, indicating a significant decrease in stress levels among the participants. Many reported feeling more relaxed, better able to manage daily challenges, and even noted improvements in sleep quality. What is particularly interesting about this study is how it aligns with the ancient principles of meditation as a tool for harmonizing one's inner state with the universal energy. The focus on breath, a fundamental aspect of mindfulness meditation, parallels the emphasis on breath control in yogic practices. Both traditions recognize the intimate connection between the breath and the state of the mind, highlighting the profound impact that intentional breathing can have on our overall well-being. Moreover, the study's emphasis on body awareness echoes the principles of yoga, where the union of breath and movement fosters a heightened awareness of the body and its subtle energies. As participants in the study became more attuned to their bodies through mindfulness, a similar process occurs in yoga, where practitioners learn to move with awareness, promoting physical flexibility and strength while cultivating a deeper connection with the self. The findings from this research not only affirm the age-old wisdom embedded in practices like yoga and meditation, but also open doors to a broader understanding of the mind-body connection. The idea that intentional practices can positively influence our mental and physical states is gaining recognition in mainstream science, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern research. Another intriguing aspect of the study is its exploration of intention in mindfulness meditation. Participants were encouraged to set positive intentions for their practice, aligning with the idea that conscious intention shapes our energetic resonance. In yogic philosophy, setting an intention or sankalpa is a common practice during meditation and asana, physical postures. The power of intention, as revealed in both the study and ancient traditions, suggests that directing our thoughts toward positive outcomes can contribute to a more harmonious and balanced life. As we navigate the interconnected web of energy that binds us to the universe, we begin to perceive the subtle threads that connect seemingly disparate aspects of our lives. The synchronicities that unfold, the intuitive nudges that guide us, and the serendipitous events that shape our journey are all expressions of this cosmic dance. The realization that everything is energy brings with it a sense of purpose and interconnectedness that transcends the limitations of our individual existence. The transformative power of energy is not limited to personal growth. It extends to our relationships, our communities, and the world at large. When we recognize the interconnected nature of all things, compassion becomes a natural outgrowth of this awareness. The barriers that divide us, be they cultural, natural, racial, or ideological, begin to dissolve in the light of our shared energetic essence. It is a reminder that, at the most fundamental level, we are all expressions of the same universal energy. Just as the warmth of sunlight reaches every corner of the earth, the transformative power of energy touches every aspect of our lives. In the realm of relationships, think of energy as the invisible force that binds people together. It's like the unspoken language between friends, family, and partners. When positive energy flows, it's akin to a gentle breeze that lifts us up, fostering understanding and connection. Consider a community as a garden, where each person is a unique flower. Just as flowers need sunlight to thrive, communities flourish when infused with positive energy. It's like the shared sunlight that nourishes every blossom, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors and scents. When individuals contribute their positive energy, the entire community becomes a harmonious ecosystem, where everyone has a role, much like different flowers contributing to the beauty of the garden. Zooming out to a global scale, the interconnected nature of energy mirrors the delicate balance of ecosystems. Picture the world as a vast, interconnected web, where each living being is a thread. The energy we emit is like the gentle vibration that resonates through this web. Just as a ripple in a pond reaches every corner, the energy we generate has a far-reaching impact. It's a reminder that our actions, no matter how small, contribute to the overall harmony or imbalance in the global ecosystem. Now, let's talk about compassion, the sweet nectar that blooms from the flower of interconnectedness. Compassion is like the fragrance that fills the air when positive energy is present. It's the natural outcome of realizing that despite our differences, we all share a common essence. Like a rainbow made up of various colors, humanity is a mosaic of diverse cultures, races, and ideologies. When we embrace this diversity and understand that it adds richness to the tapestry of life, compassion becomes the glue that binds us together. Think of cultural, racial, and ideological barriers as clouds that temporarily obscure the sunlight. But just as the sun persists beyond the clouds, our shared energetic essence remains unaffected by these divisions. It's a bit like realizing that no matter the color or shape of the flower, they all draw sustenance from the same soil. When we grasp this universal truth, the walls that separate us crumble, revealing the shared humanity that unites us all. In essence, the transformative power of energy is like a universal dance, where every being is a dancer and the rhythm is the interconnected heartbeat of existence. Living a magical and vibrant life, then, is not an elusive pursuit reserved for the select few. It is a birthright woven into the fabric of our existence. It begins with the recognition that our thoughts and emotions are not inconsequential but potent forces that shape our reality. By learning to vibrate correctly and aligning our internal frequencies with the harmonies of the universe, we tap into a wellspring of boundless potential. Embracing the concept that everything is energy empowers us to navigate the challenges of life with resilience and grace. It invites us to approach each moment with mindfulness, recognizing the interconnected threads that weave through our experiences. The mundane becomes sacred, and the ordinary becomes extraordinary when viewed through the lens of this profound understanding. In conclusion, the shift begins when we embrace the truth that everything is energy. It is a shift in perception, a shift in consciousness, and a shift in the way we engage with the world. Learning to vibrate correctly is not a mysterious incantation, but a conscious choice to align our energies with the rhythms of the cosmos. In doing so, we unlock the transformative possibilities that lie dormant within us, stepping into a life imbued with magic, purpose, and interconnected vibrancy.